Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today our topic is 12 best YouTube automation tools for YouTube channel in 2022. So before we started our video, make sure that you subscribe my channel so you can get the latest videos on it. So let's get started now. This list of YouTube automation tools can help you and your business becomes famous. The tools provide significant social media boost to help you get the recognition you deserve. This implies that YouTube is a great place for showcasing your business or any other activity you are engaged in. If you can put your videos on YouTube, you stand a high chance of unusual traffic. With this, you can use the videos as a leads or earn commission from YouTube ads views. For your videos to rank high, you have to put in a lot of work. There has to be a lot of interaction with your videos. YouTube automation tools can help you achieve this quickly. If you own a YouTube channel and are looking to get more traffic and generate better revenue, you can try using YouTube automation tools. This YouTube automation tools offer an array of benefits to users. You must choose the best YouTube automation tools when settling for one of these services. If you are skeptical about using YouTube automation tools, there are other ways to grow your online presence. You can employ someone to manually help you create traffic on your YouTube channel or by buying views and subscribers. What is YouTube automation? YouTube automation is a process that makes use of YouTube software to automate actions on YouTube. This helps YouTubers ensure that their YouTube channel gets the needed engagement for internet traffic when put on autopilot. YouTube automation is beneficial as it helps people grow their businesses. What YouTube automation does is that it increases the traffic in your YouTube channel and increases engagement on the channel. This in turn translates to the revenue paid to you by YouTube for the level of engagement your channel showcases. Best YouTube automation tools in 2022. No one is Media Mister. Media Mister is an efficient and classical YouTube automation tool. It is traditional in so many ways as it is ranked amongst the pioneer of YouTube automation tools that are still available and relevant. With Media Mister, you can enjoy classical YouTube views. Storm views. When people think of YouTube automation tool, this first fear is about safety. This has seen many YouTubers avoid the use of such software to boost the growth of their account. Storm views is a YouTube automation tool that is designed to eliminate such fears. They recognize these fears and ensure the people put them at their forefront. Their services therefore guarantees its user safety as they are 100% genuine. Storm viewers offers their types of packages, which are the like packages, views packages, and subscribers packages. To get 1,000 genuine views that are unique, you pay a sum of $5.99. Their likes packages of 1,000 genuine and unique likes is at $49, while 1,000 genuine and unique subscribers are for $119.99. So guys, this hope you enjoyed this video. We'll come back the next part with the next video. So hope you enjoyed this video. So take care. Goodbye.